more to show you here in the video. You can see it. That's the corporate back there. See,
oil pressure switch.
right there. That is the pressure switch. And this pressure switch was what went bad. It's as easy as taking out those two cables and using these tools such as called a Crow's gear wrench 19 with a swivel. You have two ways of getting it out. I called, and to replace that, it was going to be close to $400 or $500. I purchased the part in Amazon brand new. It was $90 from Porsche OEM, and then I changed it myself. It basically screws on and screws off. You see the new part there? There. That one. And how I got to it, which I found out easiest, you remove the wheel and you come in from the bottom. You spray right from the bottom there. You spray
A little bit of WD-40.
and it comes right out. This is what it looked like. This is the part came. You can see Porsche. And this is what the old part looked like. You can see it had never been replaced. And that there, the pressure pushes through there, sends a signal, and it tells you how your pressure is going. So what it was doing, it was on the pressure gauge on the computer or on the side of the car, it was bouncing up and down. On the video, I'll show you guys what that looked like. Took it out, screwed it back in, and that was it. End of story. Everything is good and dandy.
You can see it here, how it's bouncing up and down, and sometimes it would just shut off. It's not supposed to be doing that.